Hello guys, kumusta po kayo? Ngayon, meron po tayong presentation via Zoom about po sa ating National Healthcare Shield. Ito po yung healthcare plan para po sa ating government agency. And ito rin po ay in compliance with the budget circular number 2024-6 na in-issue po ng DBM last December 12, 2024. So napakaganda po nitong healthcare plan from Kaiser International Health Group. Kaya po sa lahat po ng mga government employees, sa mga teachers dyan, kung naghahanap po kayo ng affordable na HMO, na napakalawak po ng coverage. So, message lang po kayo. At yan, represent po namin sa inyo online or offline. Or pwede po kami pumunta sa inyo para po maipakita po sa inyo ito pong napakagandang HMO from Kaiser. So yan, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And unang-una, nagpapasalamat po ako sa opportunity po na mai-present po sa inyo itong HMO from Kaiser International Health Group. Ano po? Ito po yung ating National Healthcare Shield for Government Agency. Ito yung healthcare plan. Okay, so ako nga po pala si Miss Rona Manalo, and yan, who we are. Ipakilala ko po muna sa inyo si company. So, si Kaiser po, o Kaiser International Health Group, is a top HMO that offers quality healthcare to a diverse range of clients. So, hindi pa po lumalabas ang inyong 7K allowance. Nag-o-offer na po si Kaiser sa iba't ibang malalaking clients dito po sa atin sa Pilipinas. And later, makikita niyo po niyan kung sino-sino po sila. It was founded on June 8, 2004 and was later on certified by the Department of Health and Insurance Commission to operate on July 26, 2004. So, ang medical director at ang ating pong president ay si Dr. Leah Uyolo. So, she helped propel Kaiser to be the one of the country's leading and trusted HMO provider dito po sa atin sa Pilipinas. Ito po yung tagline natin, inspired by our tagline, your first name in healthcare. Okay? So, of course, meron po tayong mga network of providers. Andyan po ang ating accredited doctors, more than 12,000 and growing. Hospitals and clinics, more than 2,000 and growing. Kaiser Medical Center, 9 clinics and growing. And we offer call center, customer care center, liaison officer, 24/7 po yan.